Welcome to an in-depth look at BTC markets, one of the most popular cryptocurrency trading platforms. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to confidently navigate the site. First, you'll see the intuitive layout of BTC Markets homepage, designed to give you quick access to all its essential features. From the dashboard, you can monitor real-time market data, track price movements, and access trading pairs such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of altcoins. You'll notice the streamlined interface that makes trading fast and efficient. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. To get started, click on the Sign Up button at the top of the page and create your account. The process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds using AUD or cryptocurrency. Deposits are secure and instant, letting you quickly jump into the action. BTC Market supports advanced trading features, including limit orders, stop-loss orders, and margin trading options for professional users. You'll also appreciate the in-depth analytics and charting tools available to refine your trading strategies. To purchase Bitcoin, select it from the market listings and enter your preferred amount. You could also trade Ethereum, XRP, and various other cryptocurrencies. BTC Markets provides detailed transaction summaries, making it easy to track your portfolio's performance. Fees are competitive and transparently listed, giving you confidence in your transactions. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. BTC Markets also offers robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, cold storage for funds, and encryption for all sensitive data. Their customer support is accessible and responsive, ensuring that any issues you encounter are resolved promptly. Sign up now using my link https://lnk.do/jquucoif to unlock your bonus for new users and start trading today. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more crypto content.